Okay, everyone. What we have here is a hard drive. You know, the brains of a computer. This is the memory of a computer. The circuit board's flopping a little bit. What do you do with your computer's hard drive when you want to throw your computer away? You take it apart and let your children see what it looks like on the inside. Okay? So, when we're done with the video, we can paint, okay?
Okay.
This is what she's painting. Rawr! Okay? Bibi, you can talk on camera.
Okay.
Okay? Alright, first, this is a controller board. It controls everything in the hard drive. I drilled the heads off the screws. They were those funny star-shaped screws. They're Terex screws. And, well, I didn't want to deal with it. So, hey, look. What do you think of that thing? Share with your sister. So what do you think? Say what you think.
Lots of dots.
Lots of dots. Miri wants attention, I think. Yeah, there's lots of dots on that. The dots are little resistors, actually. Miri, dinosaurs don't eat those. And you're going to break that. Miri, you break that. I won't fix it. So be good with it, okay? Of course, she's not listening, is she? Alright, let's take the inside apart. That's the control board. What you have are two circuits for controlling how information flows. Okay? Two IC chips. Now, I'm having to use my fingernail, and I'm going to quit using my fingernail because that might hurt. I'm taking a knife, and I'm cutting the seal open.
We're kidding.
Now, there's a seal on this thing because...
Get off of my chair.
Can you two not share, Miri?
I need to sit on my chair.
There's a seal on this thing because it's supposed to be airtight. What you have in here is magnetic media, and I'm going to break my knife cutting this open. You know that? I took apart a 1 megabyte hard drive once, and that was pretty fun to take apart.
Papa, you're
Yeah.
taking the frog apart.
Not taking a frog apart.
Huh?
Am I taking a frog apart?
Whoa.
Hmm?
Papa,
Yeah.
I don't know what is this.
Okay, here we go. You want to see the inside? I got her opened up enough. Yep, I can pull it open now. Ready? Ready, ready? Urgh. That's the inside. Look how shiny that is.
It's a mirror.
Yeah, I wish you could see their faces. Because it's really interesting to see it. Does anyone even know how this thing works?
Mm-mm.
No, most people don't. Okay? This is a disc.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? It looks like a mirror. It is a magnetic disc. In other words, we go get those magnets that Miri loves to play with over there. Miri, go get me a magnet.
Okay.
Okay? Some people, no, Miri, they're right in front of you. The spinny thing, right there.
Huh?
Get the big round ones. Yeah, that one. Okay, Bibi. Now this is how this works. This is a piece of metal.
Mm-hmm.
It's been set up in such a way that you can take a magnet, put the magnet on it. I just completely erased that disc, by the way. This, see this right here? Is a little needle that's a magnet, electromagnet.
Mm-hmm.
And the little needle can float across this thing as this thing's spinning really fast. And it changes the magnet from this way to this way. And depending on which end is up, is how it saves its information. And any dust on here completely screws it up. So my fingerprints have completely screwed it up.
Papa.
Okay? Now, you know what else is fun?
I'm up here.
You're up there? One last thing, and we're done with this, and we'll do something else that might be more fun. But this part should be fun. Because I don't really want anyone to ever read what's on that disc. So I am looking for something specific
Nope.
to give it a good treatment with. There it is. BB, I'm going to let you do this. Hit it. Hit it good. Good and hard. Ah! Pop me in the eye. That's what you did.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. I didn't expect that. Now, the old ones would break because they were ceramic.
But they're dented.
Oh, it's dented. Between that and putting this magnet on there, you're never reading the data on this thing again.
Mary, do you want to hit it?
You want to hit it? It's like, of course I want to hit it. That's what I do. Right? I hit things. Yep, we done?
Nope.
Gonna hit it some more? Yep.
Need to hit it. Ow, you hurt me. Sorry, Mary.
Well, let's do this. Let me see this. Let's hit it right here. See if we can get that part out.
This is kind of it. Baby. Oh, sorry.
Look at this.
What?
See the copper ring in there?
Mm-hmm. Is any of this worth anything?
Oh no, we've destroyed all worth of it by taking it apart. You're not supposed to take these things apart. You can't fix them.
Mary, can I have it?
Okay? So we've gone and done screwed it up. Let me see if I can pull that part off.
Wait. I want to hit it.
Hold on. I'm trying to get the disc out.
Whoa.
If I really get serious, I'll go downstairs and get the pliers from downstairs. That's going to come apart then, for sure.
It's already broken down with fingerprints and hammered stains.
Yeah, I know, but it's fun to take things apart, isn't it? Yeah? Oh, I just heard something go flying across the room. I want that copper ring out. That's what I want.
Good. Whoa.
Came out. Any idea what that is?
No.
It's called magnet wire.
Wait a minute. Mary, where's the magnet? No, I mean the Oh, here it is.
No, that's not what magnet wire is for. It's for making electromagnets. Okay, let me look at something. Maybe, and we're doing all this fun live on camera, so this is even more fun. Oh, I could take the platters apart. I'm not going to. Anyhow, that's what the inside of one of these looks like. Hopefully everyone's enjoyed. We're done playing with this, I think. Right?
We need to paint.
Miri says we need to paint. So, we're going to go paint. We'll be back with something else fun to take apart.